Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of chocolate ice cream. This is kids' favorite one and I made this using ice cream maker. I'll explain to make this ice cream without ice cream maker as well. Without further delay, let's get started. These are the ingredients required to make this chocolate ice cream. I have taken 90 grams of milk chocolate and 10 grams of dark chocolate. I have taken dark chocolate since the cocoa powder I have used is quite light in color. You can use either dark chocolate or milk chocolate as well, but adjust the quantity of sugar accordingly. Dark chocolate gives bitter taste, so I always prefer using more milk chocolate and little dark chocolate for color. Take 2 tablespoons of corn flour in a bowl. Add in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I would prefer to use dark cocoa powder. Totally we need 250 ml of full fat milk. After that I am adding a little milk and mixing well. Mix it nicely and the corn flour and cocoa powder slurry is ready now. In a saucepan, take 250 ml of full fat milk. I have taken little milk for mixing the corn flour. Make sure to use full fat milk for the ice cream. Add in 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix it gently so that the sugar dissolves. Once the milk boils, strain and add in the cocoa powder and the corn flour mix. Stir in continuously so that no lumps form. You could see the ice cream mix is thickening. So you have to stir it continuously. When the ice cream mix coats the spoon, you can switch off the flame. This is the right consistency. Add in the chopped 90 grams of milk chocolate and 10 grams of dark chocolate. The chocolate melts by the heat of the ice cream mix. Add in 2 pinches of salt and mix well. In goes 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Strain the mix immediately and transfer this into a mixing bowl. Actually, this mix tastes delicious. Add in 400 ml of thick fresh cream. I would recommend to use Amul fresh cream, which tastes best for ice cream. Mix it nicely so that everything combines well. Now keep this ice cream mix in freezer for 30 minutes. If you do not have ice cream maker means, you can freeze this mix in freezer for 3 hours or until semi-set. I have prepared this delicious choco bar. I'll share this recipe soon in our channel. The ice cream mix is frozen in freezer for 30 minutes. Now let's move on to the next step. This is the ice cream maker and the lid has the pedal attachment and the machine. The ice cream container has water in it. The ice cream container is placed in freezer for overnight or until the water is set. So we have to do all this pre-prep before making ice cream. So making ice cream using an ice cream machine is not an instant process. This is the timer and the start button and I have set the time to 30 minutes. Once the pedal is moving inside, add in the ice cream mix. We have to pour in the ice cream mix through the inlet like this. If you do not have ice cream maker means, we have to freeze this mix for 3 hours in freezer. After 3 hours of freezing, the ice cream mix will be semi-set. Beat it nicely using an electric beater or a wire whisk. Repeat the procedure for 2 times and set the ice cream in freezer until set. The texture of the ice cream will be like store-bought when we prepare using this ice cream maker. We'll get softy texture ice cream when prepared using this ice cream maker. After 30 minutes of churning the ice cream, it's time to remove it. If you use dark chocolate means, you'll get darker colored chocolate ice cream. But I like the combo of dark and milk chocolate. I'm transferring the ice cream into this glass container. Cover with the lid and set it in freezer for 3 hours or until set. I have prepared mango and strawberry yogurt ice cream using this ice cream maker. I'll share this recipe soon in our channel. The ice cream is set perfectly after freezing it for 3 hours. Look at the texture of the ice cream, friends. This looks like the store-bought one. Garnish the ice cream with the chocolate chips. Do try this delicious chocolate ice cream and share me the feedback. Give it a try if you do not have ice cream maker as well. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. If you try this recipe, share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.